your AI agent can talk. Now let's give it hands. In the next 90 seconds, I'll show you how to connect a tool like Gmail, so your agent can send emails on a call.
Connect any tools. Right, we'll just say send email via Google. And depending on what you want your agent to do, you can connect. So there we go. So I can connect, so I can configure it with the AI. I don't even need to think about this. I can describe how I want it to work. Send confirmation email after booking an appointment. The same, yes, that looks perfect. Let's do that. Okay, and it's configured. So what will happen is the agent will send an email, needs a recipient. So you would just put the recipient. You can, during the call, actually have the agent prompt whoever's on for the information, or it can generate content if that's not something you're looking for. Write a follow-up, thank you, and confirm email. And then we can go through, we can keep adding these as many as we want. You can specify, let's just create it. Okay.
That's one tool live and fully connected. You can connect 3,000 more the same way. Next, we'll tour the dashboard where you'll manage your agent day to day. 365agents.com, link in the description.